Items can also be imported from other documents. Simply select the second icon on the toolbar and click Open. In the File dialog, you can select the type of document, filtered by price list, project or construction cost management types. Let's select a price list type document and confirm by clicking on the OK button. When the price list opens, you can see the document displayed as it will be printed, with the price code, description, unit of measurement and unit price. Once you have found the requested item, all you need to do is select it and drag it from the reference price list to the target document's measurements editor. To add the item at the last position in the list, simply drop it onto the Add New Item prompt. If, on the other hand, you want to add it to the price list preceding a specific item, you can drop the requested item over it. For example, say you want it as the first item in our bill of quantities. Just drop it onto the first item already present. You can see that the item is inserted in the first position and then select a work type, for example, measured works, and then select a category for the reinforced concrete item. Let's now enter the measurements for the concrete item. Accessing the document's price list editor, you can see that the program has updated all of the information, and that for the excavation item, there is only one in the list because it is the same, even if it has been used several times in the bill of quantities, updating total quantities and amounts. The reinforced concrete item, acquired from the price book and added to the measurements editor, also appears in this editor with all of the corresponding information.